What's up, everybody? Back to today's video. As always, today I'm going to Big Free Guy. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about all the new ways that you can make friends. Mostly, some people don't make a lot of friends. So it's my brother Marlon. He sucks. I hate him so much. Should I be talking about people today or just friends?
Yeah.
I feel fishy today. So in today's today in school there was a lot of drama today. So I was just watching because if I would eat my donut while watching this. Cause I was like, I wonder what's gonna happen next. Oh, there's birds fighting. There's birds fighting. Ooh. Ooh, there's some birds fighting. Oh, they're fighting. Anyway, yeah, all the new ways that you can make friends. First, listen to the drama. Second, just be kind of nice. Not really nice because they're gonna try to use you and stuff. But anyway, oh my God, did the bird die? Oh my gosh, come on guys, Oh wait, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, I think the bird just died. Oh my gosh. Did I just got that online film? I just saw a bird. Oop, YouTube content. Oop, and oop, and oop. Oh my gosh, that is so disgusting. How did the flies come already? Anyway, I just saw a bird fighting in the tree, and then they just fell. How does that happen? I'm so confused right now. Whoa. Okay. Guys. I think, guys, I don't think it's gonna be good for this video. Marlon think that kid is not in the car, but he is inside the car. He's in the back seat. Anyway, guys, I just saw a bird died on camera. Why wasn't I focusing on it? Oh. He's coming back. Marlon, you see him?
Yeah.
Where? He is? Wow. He is? Oh my gosh, Marlon, he is. While I'm filming a video. So suspiciously. While he's in the back seat right there. So surprisingly. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna do this video later because I don't feel good. Anyway, oop, the camera. Okay. Alright. The lighting great. Okay. Anyway, that is the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bells on for new to post when I upload for all my newest videos. And that's this video. Bye. Sayonara. And good night.